Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are removing and reinstalling a door lock switch in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this trim piece off. Grab a flat blade plastic trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. I'm just going to get underneath here, pry up. And then it slides forward. If any of the clips fall out, you can just push them back down. This one's going to be tightened a little bit. Just squish it with our fingers. Push it down. Next we have these two fasteners we have to take out. They're a T30. We're going to use a driver because it's easier to get in there than a socket. Loosen them up all the way. Then I'm going to use a little magnet to be able to pull them out. There's another fastener under here. It's a T30 also. I'm going to take that out. Next we're going to pry this trim out. Pull it back. Pull it up. You can leave that right like that for right now. Next we're going to take a trim tool, pull out door panel. There we go. We're going to pull up on the door panel, pull out. Then this piece right here, you're going to pull on this little lever. It's going to pull it right out. Then we're going to pull the two connections out, push down on the tab, and it comes out. There's another one right here. Push down on this connector and that tab. Then we're going to pull this connector out. There's a tab right here. Push down on that tab and pull it out. Get the little pick in here. You're going to pull up on that. Pulls right out. We use a flat blade tool. Just pry in here. Putting a little pressure on the front side with your other hand. Right in there, and then the lock comes right out. To install, we're just going to push it straight down, make sure it locks in place. If this rubber grommet came off with this tweeter, or these little clips came off, you're going to have to take them off and reinstall them. So put this, line these up. Push that on. If any of these are on here, when you go to put your door panel back on, you're going to want to take them off to install them to the door panel side. Like that. Install these. You're going to, in that slot, just push it over. Connect the door lock connector. Connect the window connector, window switch connector. The mirror switch connector. Just gonna slide it in. And then this this theft deterrent connector. Plug that in. To put this inner door latch cable on, you're gonna line this up on the front side, and you can push down. And you're gonna push down until it locks in. You wanna double check, make sure it works. Give it a try, and it works. Slide the top part of the door panel on into the window channel. I'm going to line up these clips. Down below, we're going to install our T30. And these two go in right near the arm handle. So it goes in there. Take this trim piece, and I want to slide those two right in the grooves and line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.